Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Depth for Dynamic. Today we are going to solve another problem from LeetCode. Problem name is string matching in an array. So basically here given an array string words, we have to return all string words that is a substring of another word. You can return the answer in any order. Basically we have to return sub those who is substring in another word. So a substring is contiguous sequence of character within a string. So we know that like here is so A and S these are substring, and in hero here we have continuous HERO, it is continuous. So that's what he is saying, contiguous sequence. So basically if this string in a substring of any other string. So we have to return in or output in any order. We can return. So here we can solve by using brute force approach, because if you see here word dot length is not going to exceed 100. So it will 100 into 100. It take like 10,000 loop total combination. So I'm going to use brute force approach, and length is 30. It is also not that much, and you can see that it is a level problem. So let me copy one problem. This one. So basically we have here we have to pick one string, one word, and we have to check this word is a substring in another word or not. So mass is not a substring of anyone. Again, we will pick here as is a substring of mass, so it will as stored in our result. Again, I will check for hero. Hero is the substring of superhero, so we will store in this. And superhero is not a substring in any of these. So basically, here we need two for loop. So for first for loop, pick element from this array one by one, and second for loop will check every element to another element, and it will not check for cell. Suppose mass is not going to check this mass because it is always substring, so we have to ignore this. For same if I and j both are equal, so we will ignore this. And we have a contents value, like I'm going to solve in Java. So string have a content function, content something, we have to pass another string. So this is a method in string class. So we will pass another string, and it will check it is if this word is contained in this string, so it return true, as it will return false. So I'm going to use this contain method. If you like to solve you solve by you have to write on method, you can write, but I'm going to use this one. So basically here we need a list of string which will store result new array list. Now we need two for loop. As I said, integer I is equal to 0, I less than equal to words dot length th. I'm going to copy it and use as a variable integer n. After that I plus plus again Now we have to take another for loop integer I j is equal to 0 and j less than n and j plus plus. If I equal to j, this means string is same, so we have to ignore this. So I will continue here. Otherwise, we have to check if, like I'm going to check for the words. So words of j contains, if words of j, so I think contains words of I. So we have to add in our result, means we found one. So we have to add in our result words of I, and after that we have to break this for loop. Because why? So suppose here I'm doing for AS. So for AS, it starts from here j is equal to 0, so it contains a S. So for this case, after add we consider as a valid string, valid word you can say, and after that we don't have to check for hero as and superhero because we already found, so we have to consider this. So we have to break this for loop, and after that I think we simply have to here return our result. Let me run the code. Yeah, that's compile and run. Yeah. Mm, thank you guys to watching my channel. And here I said I'm using contains method because I have to solve this problem. And if you like to write on function, you can write. Let me just a brief discussion. So I have to check as in mass present or not. So basically what we have to do, we will take a for loop from this I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0. We will check for this I and j both are not equal, so we will increment j is equal to 1. So it will increment for this, and again both are equal, so it will increment plus 1 also. So it is 1 and both are equal, so we will return true. So we can solve by using this. So basically here we will take a for loop from this, and for every character we can compare and this is a valid or not. If it is valid, immediately we return true, else we will check for next value. That's it guys. Thank you again.